afternoon everyone. Today I have another unboxing from the 21K collection. I was super excited when my SA offered me this, and to be honest, I didn't ask my SA for this at all because I mean it's actually a mini bag, and from what I know they don't really offer a mini bag to anybody who walk in, so I'm so tired of hearing, oh, it's not available in stock, that I just didn't ask. So when my SA texted me and whether I want it, I was like, oh yes, definitely. So let's see what it is. This is the Chanel tissue paper. I haven't opened this yet at all since I got it, so I'm pretty excited. This SA that I'm talking to now, she's a new SA, I think, and she's been so helpful and so resourceful. I was pretty amazed. So this is the tissue paper. Try not to damage this. I don't know, mini bags nowadays mostly come in Lambskin, unless you've got the perfect bag or something like that, or perfect mini. So here it is. Let me just take out the tissue again. Alright. I got this in champagne, gold hardware, and navy lambskin. This is such a cutie. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I got offered this. Definitely a yes. So one good thing about this, I think these are detachable. Are they detachable? No, they are not detachable, but from what she described, you can actually just stuff this into the bag and then it will be like a top handle. So this is a mini flat bag in navy lambskin with a top handle. So as you can see, this is coming in the lambskin design in the navy color of 21K. So compared to my previous Chanel unboxing, which is the royal electric blue, this navy is more of a true blue, and compared to the black, it actually looks very similar under certain lighting, but it's less boring than maybe a black colored bag. So as you can see, the lambskin is really buttery soft. As always, lambskin always look and feel a lot softer and luxurious, just that they do require a bit more babying. So just looking at this, I don't see any major scuffings. I mean, it's totally brand new. She literally unwrapped it in front of me, and it comes in this gold hardware, champagne gold hardware, with the top handle is made of lambskin as well. And just looking at it, sorry, I made my decision, purchase this really quickly. At the moment I look at it, I tried it, I was like, yes, I want this. So I haven't really had, this is my first time taking a close look at this as well. So as you can see from the side view and the back, it comes with the standard back pocket or the Mona Lisa pocket. So the quilts are pretty, it's the standard classic flat poofy quilts. I don't see any scuffing. I mean, like for lambskin, it's quite normal to have all these lines, but most of my only other lambskin is my small classic flap in black and gold hardware. That's in lambskin, and that has been holding up pretty well. So I don't really, and the bottom is smooth as well, but the bottom is slightly, I think they reinforced it, so it's slightly harder, whereas over here it's really poofy. See, there's a pocket here, and this is the left view. So let's open it up. I left the hardware stickers as it is. Sorry, I keep rubbing the quotes because it's so soft. And this is the drop. I tried it, I'm about 160 cm, and when I tried this on, this is like the perfect height for a crossbody bag. The chains are not adjustable. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So adorable. Yeah. Okay. Now let's remove the flap. This is the gold hardware flap. So this is in a single flap, and as a result of that, it's a lot more roomy because the classic double flap actually blocks up a lot of space and restricts the space. There's no pocket here, which I seldom use anyway. So as you can see, it's very roomy. And I mean, for lambskin, even for my small classic flap, if you stretch this out, there's going to be natural lines. So I still, or natural creases, which isn't ugly. Once you fold it back, it's just going to be gone. But if you're concerned, you just be a bit more gentle with it. And you can see here, let me just remove this. There's the stuffings and the tissue. You can see it's super roomy. I tried fitting my iPhone 12. It definitely can fit the iPhone 12. This bag is made in France. Definitely can fit the iPhone 12, and the microchip is here. There's a tiny small zip pocket at the back, which still has the plastic hardware. So you can see there's a pocket here where you can put a card slot. There's also a zip slot here. Zip slot for your cards or for your more private belongings. So this is a very roomy bag, as you can see in champagne gold hardware. I'm not too sure what else to say about this bag, but it's really so adorable. I can't decide whether, I mean, between this and my black classic flap in gold hardware, is definitely a tie. And I think in terms of things that it can fit, maybe it's actually comparable. So, but don't forget the black classic flap is already a 10-digit dollar bag. I mean a 5-digit dollar bag, whereas this is still 4-digit or cheaper than a Chanel 19 even. So if you can actually get hold of this, I say that it's pretty good value for money. But given that it's a unicorn bag, I don't know how easy or how I'm not too sure whether this is considered a unicorn bag, but I don't really see a lot of bags on the shop that sells this in the classic flap design, gold hardware, top handle, and this navy is really almost black. In photos, in my camera, my colors always turn out richer, but in real life it's really almost black. Yeah, it's so adorable. I can't wait to use this. And maybe after a year or two, I'll probably have to let go of one, because I don't think I would want to keep two similar bags in my luxury collection. Yeah, this is a super cute piece. Yeah. Okay, that's about it for my unboxing today. Do let me know down in the comments below what you think about this bag.